my channel Facts and Fantasy with Arnav. Today's video is Amazing Birds Part 2. If you really like my video, please do like, share and subscribe. Let's get to the video. Albatross. Albatross have the longest wingspan of any living bird, up to 11 feet. Albatross use their formidable wingspan to ride the ocean winds and sometimes to glide for hours without rest or even a flap of their wings. They live in the region of the Southern Ocean and the North Pacific Ocean. They also float on the sea surface. This position makes them vulnerable to aquatic predators. Albatross drink salt water like some other seabirds. They are rarely seen on land. Trumpeter Swan. The Trumpeter Swan is the largest of living waterfowl. This bird seems a real giant when it opens its 2.5 meter wingspan. Adult birds are snow white in plumage, while youngers are grayish-brown. The outstanding feature of the Trumpeter Swan is its strong black beak. Trumpeter swans are native to North America. They prefer nesting sites on shallow lakes and slow rivers. The Trumpeter Swan got its name due to the particular sound it makes when communicating. Mandarin Duck. Mandarin Duck is the world's most beautiful duck. It is native to East Asia. Mandarin ducks live in small wooded ponds and avoid lakes or large bodies of open waters. Mandarin ducks are threatened by severe habitat loss. The male Mandarin duck is extremely easy to identify. It has orange, green, white, bluish and black feathers, some of which curl up into a sail shape. Female Mandarin duck are grey but have a pale tip at the bill and strip behind the eyes. Pileated woodpecker. This is the biggest woodpecker. Adult birds weigh from 250 to 300 grams with a size of about 38 to 48 centimeters. They are mainly black with a red crest and have white line down the sides of the throat. The woodpeckers have a strong skull as they hammer trees with their beak. They usually excavate their large nests in the cavities of dead trees. The pileated woodpecker is native to southern Canada and in the east and northwest of the United States. Pelican. Pelicans have the most spacious beak in the world. It can keep up to 3 buckets of fish in it. It have a stretching pouch in the lower part of the beak. The bills, pouches, and bare facial skin of all pelicans become brightly colored before the breeding season. Their population has fallen due to habitat destruction, disturbance, and environmental pollution. Pelicans are found on all continents except Antarctica.